Is your 2016-2022 Honda Pilot key fob not working reliably? A weak battery is the most common cause. You'll notice reduced range or dimming LED indicator. The Honda Pilot key fob uses a CR232 battery, widely available for around $2 to $5. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the notch on the side of your key fob, usually near the key ring. Gently pry open the case, being careful not to force it. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up, side facing up. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car from a distance. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches or short circuits. After replacing the battery, if your key fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity to ensure it's correctly installed. Sometimes, the internal rubber gasket can be dislodged during the process, potentially leading to water damage. Make sure it's properly seated when reassembling the fob. If issues persist, try resetting the fob by pressing all the buttons simultaneously. If you live in a high humidity area, consider sealing the fob's edges to prevent moisture from entering. While DIY replacement saves money around $50 to $80 compared to dealership costs, incorrect handling can damage the fob, potentially leading to more expensive repairs. If you're uncomfortable with the process, consider seeking professional assistance. Note that Honda released a software update in 2024 for some models, 2019 to 2022, that can improve battery life.